This is the structure of abstract factory pattern, and here is the example of abstract factory pattern. We will see how this is implemented in CPP source. Here is the class configuration manager. It has method use configuration manager. It's a pure virtual function, so will be implemented in its derived classes. Here is the class Unisys configuration manager derived from configuration manager and implements the method use configuration manager. Here is the class IBM configuration manager derived from configuration manager and implements the method use configuration manager. Here is the class operation manager. It has method use operation manager. It's a pure virtual function, so will be implemented in its derived classes. Here is the class Unisys operation manager derived from class operation manager and implements the method use operation manager. And here is the class IBM operation manager derived from operation manager and implements the method use operation manager. Here is the class system management factory. It has two methods, create configuration manager and create operation manager. Both of them are pure virtual function, so will be implemented in its derived classes. Here is the class Unisys SM factory derived from system management factory. It implements the method create configuration manager. Inside create configuration manager, it creates the object for Unisys configuration manager. So it is creating object for Unisys configuration manager, and in the create operation manager, it creates object for Unisys operation manager. You can see then here it's a Unisys configuration manager, and this one is the Unisys operation manager. So basically it's creating the configuration manager and operation manager for Unisys system. Here is the class IBM SM factory derived from class system management factory. It implements the method create configuration manager and create operation manager. Inside create configuration manager, it creates the object of IBM configuration manager, and inside create operation manager, it creates the object of IBM operation manager. So it's creating the, you can see it here. Say IBM operation manager, and this one is the IBM configuration manager. So IBM SM factory is creating the configuration manager and operation manager for IBM system. Okay, we'll see the main. Here we have configuration manager variable CM and operation manager variable OM. Okay, so we are creating the object of Unisys SM factory. So when we call the create configuration manager of Unisys SM factory, it creates the object of Unisys configuration manager, which is this one. and then we can use the method in Unisys configuration manager, use configuration manager. So this is the method. Similarly, it's a create operation manager for Unisys SM factory. So it creates the object of Unisys operation manager, which is this one. And when we call the method use operation manager, it will call the method of Unisys operation manager, which is this one. So we can see Unisys SM factory is creating configuration manager and operation manager for Unisys family and using it. Similarly, here IBM SM factory object is created, which is creating the configuration manager for IBM system. So it's creating IBM configuration manager object. Similarly, when the create operation manager method of IBM SM factory is called, it creates the IBM operation manager object. So here we are creating the configuration manager and operation manager of IBM system and using it. Okay, we will run this program and we will see the output. Okay, so if you see when this is called, it goes into the Unisys configuration manager, use configuration manager. And when this is called, it goes into Unisys operation manager, use operation manager method. And here, when this is called, it goes into IBM configuration manager, use configuration manager method. And when this is called, it goes into IBM operation manager, use operation manager method.